In this video, I am going to teach you how to transfer your crypto from Kucoin to Coinbase. If you're switching platforms or just want to cash out, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Stick around to save you from making a costly mistake. Let's get started. First, go to Kucoin and sign into your account. Make sure your account is fully verified for seamless withdrawals. Then go to the Assets option, usually found at the bottom of the screen. This section shows your current crypto balances. Next, in the options at the top, choose Funding Account. This is where your withdrawable assets are stored. After that, find the crypto you want to transfer and click Withdraw next to it. Kucoin will prompt you to enter the destination address. Now, paste your Coinbase wallet address and choose the same network used by Coinbase for that specific crypto. This ensures your crypto is sent safely and doesn't get lost. That's how you transfer crypto from Kucoin to Coinbase without hassle. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple crypto how-to videos. See you next time!